Thank you for choosing McDonald's today. How can I help you? Would you like to try our new Shamrock Shake?
No, thank you. Can I have chocolate medium milkshake?
Chocolate.
Medium milkshake?
Chocolate.
Chocolate medium?
Yeah. No whipped cream.
No whipped cream?
Yeah.
Will that be all?
Yeah.
388, first window.
Why are they taking so long? It's literally a milkshake. Let me guess, their ice cream machine is broken.
Really?
That always happens. It's always like a McDonald's thing.
Oh.
Sorry, our machine is down. When really they're just cleaning it. It's not even broken.
Something else.
Why are they taking so long for just a milkshake? I don't get it.
Thank you.
Our machine is broken.
I literally just said that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kayla. If you haven't seen my face already, click the subscribe button down below. Today I am getting my hair dyed for the first time in 4 years. Like, I've been dyeing it blonde over and over and over again to get it lighter and lighter and lighter. Finally, I'm gonna dye it. It's been 4 years since I dyed my hair, and I'm like super bored with my hair, so like I'm excited to just have a change. And I've been meaning to do this for a while, but like,
I got my hairstyle.
yeah, his hair is so cute. Green.
I focus on driving.
Everybody keeps telling me to dye it this color. Like, everyone for the past like 4 years has told me to dye it this color, and I'm like, I don't know if it'll look good, but I'm finally doing it because I think it will look good, so I'm excited.
You're having with that color? It's so cool.
I
So
hope
excited.
Me too.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run.
So it has been 4 hours since Kayla get into salon, and she hasn't eaten anything from this morning. So I got 6 pieces of chicken nuggets with sour cream. That's what she likes. So I'm bringing it in to her. Let's see how she's doing. She probably get tired and bored probably. So let's see how she changed so far. Got you. Wow. White.
No, it's just the phone. Put your head up.
And then kind of tilt.
Thank you. Gosh, I look so different.
Yeah.
So this is the finished hair. It looks like a wig. It literally looks like a wig. I like it though. It looks nice, and then there's like a shadow on the root. So this is the finished hair. I got this stuff. So it's like violet shampoo and violet conditioner. She said that the conditioner is a little bit more of a blue, and she used that on my hair too. And then it comes with a toning spray as well, and these are vegan products. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description for this down below. And yeah, so this is the whole.
I love it.
I love it too. Oh my
3 different colors.
Yeah.
Wow.
It took 5 hours. I got
Yeah,
there
it literally
at 10 a.m. and it literally took until 3 something. What time is it?
3:41.
Oh my god, it's 3:41 right now. So yeah, this is the finished hair, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. So leave a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of these videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.